Look at that nice little puck. And don't you want to be able to hold it upside down and not have it come out? Should we try it?
Like a blizzard from
Should we try it?
Right? Yeah,
Yeah, okay, let's... Oh, we nailed it!
Good to go. Hello, world. Today we're here with Eric Hinman. If you don't know Eric, I like to refer to him as the actual Brian Johnson, the actual reverse ager that actually looks good. He is a serial entrepreneur. I mean, in my eyes, a legendary fitness content creator. Thankful to call him a friend that I've got to know over the last year or so. Eric, thank you for coming out, man.
Yeah, thanks for having me. I'm stoked for this coffee.
Yeah, so today what we're gonna be doing is making a iced Americano with a sweet cream cold foam. You're usually a pretty much black coffee guy, right?
Yeah, double espresso.
Yeah. So today we're doing something a little out of your comfort zone, you could say. Have you ever made cold foam?
I've never made cold foam.
Never made it before?
No.
Okay, cool. First time we're making cold foam. It's super easy. It's probably one of the most ingenious things that has ever been made for coffee. Everybody loves whipped cream, but it's got so many calories in it. But you make sweet cream and use a low calorie half and half or a coffee creamer. And it's like 30 calories for something that tastes better than whipped cream.
Amazing.
All right, let's do it. So you'll pretty much just put the portafilter in.
Yep. Push
Push it all the way till it hits this lever. It'll auto dose. Then you can take it out, distribute it, tamp it.
Yep.
And then run it through the double shot. So yeah, I kind of want to let you
Great.
run away with it.
It's a big dose of espresso right there.
Look at this guy. So if you don't know what he's doing right now, Eric is basically using this tool. It's distributing the grounds in there. So it's making it flat. And then he's going to take the back side of it, push it down, form a puck. That way that the pressurized water can shoot through it and pull out a nice shot of espresso. And you see the tricep flex.
That's
He's
right.
going like
That's
100
right.
pounds right now.
Yeah, good angle. Get a good angle on that. Look at that nice little puck.
This is the hardest part of making espresso right here.
Okay. Get it again in here.
Yeah.
Boom. Look at that. First try.
Got my favorite shot glass right here, the death shot. We
That
got a
shot glass is dope.
fat shot of espresso for Eric.
Double espresso, this one?
Double
This one?
shot, yeah.
Cool. Don't you want to count to like 30 seconds and that's approximately what a double espresso is?
Yeah, 25 to 30 seconds is a solid amount of time. So this is actually coming out pretty perfect. We're at about 23 seconds right now. I'm jealous because my shot that I pulled for my drink was kind of shitty.
I got the better one.
Eric got the better one. So now we're going to assemble this drink. You know what an Americano is, right?
Sure.
Americano
water,
is
espresso.
water espresso.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
So we'll go ice. Let's do the water first.
Cool.
Perfect. And then we're going to do a little bit of stevia here.
Yep.
Now we'll go espresso. Oh yeah. So to make cold foam, you literally pour the half and half in the cup, take a hand frother, salt 15 seconds with a hand frother, it's ready to go. It's so easy.
Look at how pretty that is. Dude, look how creamy that is.
Literally.
Dang.
So thick, just instantly.
That looks great.
That's what she said.
And it's bomb, right?
That tastes
It's
so
amazing.
good. Oh my God.
So good. When you pour the cream in, this is called the money shot.
Look at that.
On a difficulty level out of 10, how hard was that to make?
1.
1? All right, you heard it. 1.
Not hard at all.
Not hard at all. And delicious, right?
Yeah, delicious.
That whole drink is less than 50 calories. And it tastes, that sweet cream alone tastes like what?
I like coconut ice cream.
Yeah. Cool. Well, we got our coffee. I want to chat with you. I've gotten to know you a little bit over the last year, but I want to
Cheers.
get to know you even more. Let's drink our coffee and
Heck
have
yeah.
a chat.